What happens when you pick up the cheapest PC hardware you can find on eBay and at CEX and put it into one box? Well, today, that's what we're going to be finding out. So yes, this entire PC cost me £15, but for what I spent, what sort of performance did I get? Well, to start off we have the case and the power supply, which I got free out of a bin. The case is a basic M80X, which fits the system fine, and the power supply is 350 watts, which is perfectly sufficient for the power draw of our components. The motherboard cost me £5 and is an Intel DG31PR, which even though it's a very basic board with not a lot of features, it performs fine and works with all of our hardware. And yes, the cooler is zip tied onto the motherboard due to my pins on my stock cooler being broken off. The processor I got for £3 at my local CEX shop. It's a Pentium dual-core E6700, clocked at 3.2 GHz. Our graphics are supplied by the Quadro NVS 300, which I got for £5, with a whole 512 MB of video memory, and a DMS 59 port, which I had to spend an extra £2 for the appropriate adapter. So, what's the performance like with our £15 budget build? So in Cinebench, our CPU scored 87 and our graphics card had a whole 6.79 FPS. And yes, this is atrocious compared to other CPUs and GPUs, but let's see how it performs within games. Starting off with BeamNG Drive, which, well, ran absolutely horribly, which was no surprise to me considering it has trouble running on my i7 with a 970. It's that poorly optimized. Next up we have Euro Truck Simulator 1. The game ran at a constant 60 when driving around London, and I couldn't have asked for better. It was amazing. Even when creating traffic, it still hovered around the 60 FPS mark. Next up we have Euro Truck Simulator 2, which was actually a pleasant surprise. The game auto set itself to lowest settings and actually ran at 1080p, which was amazing. It was smooth while driving around in my truck and even pulling tight turns, and yeah, performed great. Now, am I going to recommend you go out and buy all these parts? And what it comes down to is absolutely not. If you want budget performance for that price range, then sure, go for it. But you can get way better by spending that extra £20 or £30, and you could just get an overall better system that ran more games and was more amazing. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.